Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the office with the panel system, with the metal panel in here. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here. For the first, for the any size of the rectangle, it's around 25 and also 21. Okay, then we can click and push it up. We can type 1 meter in here, enter, and triple click, right click, and also make component and just create. Okay, now we can determine about the column position. We can type, we can select the rotate rectangle and click from the position, and it's around 901.2 meter approximately. Then now we can push it up a little bit in here and triple click, right click, and make component, just create. Then we can select move, tap control, and also place. Okay, then we can type 3 slash and enter in here. So there is the distance is around 8 meter approximately. Then now we can select all this column in here, and now we can select move, tap control, and place to the position. Then we can type 2 slash and enter in here, just like this. Then now we can select this slab and select move, tap control, and place to the position and move it up. Okay, then we can move it up. Sorry, we have to move from this position. We can move it up around 4 meter in here. Okay, and we can move and duplicate again 4 meter. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, there is a 4 floor in here, and then now we can triple click and push it up. Okay, we can push it up until to the position. Okay, then we can offset it outside. Okay, we can click the surface and offset it outside around 1.5 meter in here. Okay, and then now we can push it down in here to the position in here. Okay, just like this, and now we can erase some unnecessary line over there in here. Okay, just like this, and then now we can select the core building. For the core building, it's probably on this position in here. It's like an emergency exit and much more in here. Okay, then now we can double click and make group. Okay, now we can make the another envelopes. We can place and offset it inside. Okay, we can offset it inside around 500 millimeter in here. Okay, then we can click and erase some unnecessary surfaces over there, and then now we can make the line in here on the position in here, and also on this position, and also on this position. Okay, that one, and then we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can place sorry, can click this line and select move and place to the position in here. Then now we can push it up. Okay, and we can triple click, right click, and make group. Then we can push it down until to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can click this this vertical line and select a move, tap control, and also place to the position. Then we can type 9 slash and enter in here. Then just erase some unnecessary line over there. Then now we can erase the top and bottom surfaces over there, and click the vertical line, and select move, tap control, and place, type 8 slash and enter in here. Okay, then we can click the line, click that line, and we can place, type 3 slash and enter in here. And okay, we can erase the line, and we can select the line, vertical line, select move, tap control, and place, type 4 slash and enter in here. So then now we can okay, now we can sorry, we have to move the line in here, and also move this vertical line to the position in here. Then now we can erase that one, erase that one, erase. We can erase. Okay, so this is about the curtain wall position. Then now we can determine about the materials with using the glass materials in here. Okay, over there. So this is about the glass materials. Okay, then now we can make the another something in here. We can make the additional room or cantilever in here on the position in here. and push it to the front and push it to the another side in here, approximately just like this. And okay, and just this one, and okay, then we can push it until the position again on the position. Then we can triple click and also make group. Then we can select move, tap control, and okay, now we can place on the position, and now we can click that, sorry, we can click that one and select move, tap control, and also place to the position in here. And then now we can determine about the another glazing in here again. We can offset it inside just like this, and click and select copy. Okay, and sorry, we can edit and paste in place. Then we can push it up in here, and okay, we can click and push it until to the position in here, and also the another things. Okay, click and push until the position, and we can triple click, right click, and make group. Now we can erase some necessary surface over there, and okay, just like this, and okay, that one. And then now we can select the line. And select the line and select move, tap control and place, type 12 slash and enter in here. And also the another things, you can select a move, tap control, place, type 10 slash and enter in here. And also that one, click the vertical line, select move, tap control, place, type 4 slash and enter in here. And also click the line and select move, tap control and place, type 2 slash and enter in here. Okay, then now we can assign about the materials in here, or we can add more materials in here with this one, and also place. And okay, so that one we can add more the materials like this. Then we can make the cylinder in here with using the circle in here, and make the circle in here, and we can push it up in here, and we can triple click and make group. Triple click again and select the top surface and select the control, and we can select the scale. We can select the scale. We can use the scale. Okay, scale, and tap control, hold control on our keyboard, and just drag into the another position in here, and it could be like this. So we can make the artistic column system in here. Then we can type pre-slash and enter in here. Okay, just like this. And then for this one also you can select move, place, type 2 slash and enter in here. So it will be artistic one in here. Okay, and then now we can make the another something in here. We can make the rectangle in here, in here. Okay, and push it to the front in here, just a little around 900 millimeters in here. And also make the curve in here. We can also make the curve. Okay, and push it to the front. Okay, that one, and now we can make again 900 and make the rectangle. Okay, that one, and also place it to the position in here. And okay, that one. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we can make group. Okay, then now we can make the list. We can make the list of this aluminum panel. Then we can move it down. Then we can type 200 millimeter, and this one type 100. That one, and 100 in here. And then now we can okay, now we can select the line. Okay, and make the line in here. Okay, then we can select the line and select move, tap control, and also place, type 8 slash and enter in here. Okay, that all. And okay, we can make the line in here. Okay, that's all, and select all of the line, and also this line, and select edit, cut. Okay, edit, and paste in place in here, and we can select and erase. Then we can select the vertical line in here, and select move, tap control, and place, type like 15 slash and enter in here. Okay, that one, and can select all, and okay, we can select move, tap control, and also place, and then we can rotate 90 degree. Okay, and now we can select move, and place and move place to the position in here, and okay, then we can select all in here and select edit, cut, okay, and edit, and also paste in place in here, and then we can select unnecessary line over there to make this unique panel. Okay, that one, and then now we can determine about the materials of this building anyway, and now we can determine about the orange color. Okay, we can select all and except this top crown in here, and we can assign, and now we can assign with the dark material of the top in here. We can use this one, okay, to make the dark material for the list in here. And okay, that's okay, I think it's enough then. So this is about the color of the orange, and now we can assign that one and edit. Then we can also determine about the saturation level and with another level of the orange color, and then now we can determine about the dark gray color. It's probably just like this, and we can also determine with another color with the metal materials, just like this. We can use this one. Okay, I think that's enough, and then okay, then now we can determine about the color with using this one, about the list color in here. Okay, that one, and anyway, maybe we can okay, we can extend more, extend more. Okay, then we can click and offset it inside 400. Okay, and again 800 and 1.2 meter. Okay, and again 1.2, and then 1.6, and then 2 meter. Okay, and 2.4. Okay, that's all. Then now we can select for every single one. We can type 150 and 150 again. I'm sorry, and 150 again, and again 150 and again. Okay, that's all. Then click up 150. Okay, type 150 in here. Okay, type 150, and that's all. 150, and this one 150. Okay, that's enough. So this is about the access, and now we can also make that one. Okay, just like this. We can determine about the materials with using this one, and now we can make the base plane, and make group and select all this one and place to the appropriate position in here. Then now we can make unique and offset it inside 150 millimeter and push it up, type 2.5 meter in here, and now we can assign about the concrete using this one, and so you can develop about this one, make it more detailed. Then now we can make the component like the silhouette people, or we can select the tree. Okay, then now we can select the glass, and okay, just like this. Then now we can assign okay, we can okay, just like this. Then now we can enter the shadow. Anyway, this is about the shadow, and we can determine about the shadow to make it more representative enough. Okay, that one. Okay, I think that's all, and now we can select the profile just like this, and Okay, I think that's all. Then now we can determine about the another materials with using the asphalt, concrete, and that one. And okay, now we can just sign with we can deactivate the shadow first, and okay, we can make the materials in here. Okay, now we can determine about the landscaping, just like this, and also just like this. Okay, and it's done. And if we want activate the shadow, we can also activate about the shadow. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.